Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to view Instagram profile picture in large size. Go to the Instagram app from your apps list. Go to any of the person's profile whom you are following. You cannot view the profile picture in large size. For this, go to any browser. In the Google search box, type instadp.com. Go to this website. Now type the Instagram user's username whose profile picture you want to view in large size. Now tap on the profile picture. And you can see the profile picture is opened as large size. So that is how you can view Instagram profile picture in large size. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.